Welcome to Chemical Guy's Detail Garage. Today I wanted to answer a frequently asked question, and that is how to make white paint pop and how to make it shine. So today we've devised and brought out one of our personal kits here. This is our white car care kit, and we're going to show you how to wash, enhance, protect, and maintain your white color vehicle. Now, starting with any detail, we start with the wash process. This is going to remove the abrasive particles of dirt, bird droppings, or anything else that's left on the surface. And all you have to do to get started is shake it to mix it all together, and then add 1 to 3 ounces to your wash gun, foam cannon, or traditional wash bucket to properly aerate it, creating a nice layer of lubrication to again prevent any kind of swirls or scratches while you're washing. And what's great about citrus washing gloss is it produces a ton of suds which help lubricate the surface so you're not inducing any swirls or scratches. Now also it leaves behind a nice shine which enhances any color vehicle, but specifically on white color vehicles it makes it really pop. After washing and thoroughly drying your vehicle, this will be the time to inspect the paint for swirls, scratches, imperfection, as well as any kind of contamination that's in the pores of the paint. Now this would also be the time for a clay bar service and a polishing job if necessary, but we're going to move right past that step and go on to glazing with white light. Now white light masks any kind of imperfections while hiding scratches and swirls, magnifying metallic and pearl paint, and also adds a little bit of paint protection to make your car look its best for as long as possible. You can apply this by machine or by hand, but a machine application applies a very fine coat which saves time, it saves product, and it's also saving you effort while giving you a uniform coat that buffs off nice and easily with your elegant edgeless microfiber towel. And in the kit, we've included 2 microfiber applicators for spreading your glaze and your wax. Speaking of wax, we're going to move right on into butter wet wax, which is a great way to protect your vehicle no matter what color it is. You can apply this to anything that's painted, shiny, or clear to help it give a very long-lasting shine, as well as a durable layer of protection against harsh elements and anything else that can harm the finish. Just a few small dots and apply a very fine coat over the entire vehicle on any surface that is painted, shiny, or clear, and this is going to help prevent any kind of water spots, staining, while also locking in that shine. Now you can let it sit in haze for about 15 to 20 minutes and then buff it off using your elegant edgeless microfiber towel. Butter wet wax also has multiple uses, such as removing graffiti and overspray. You can also use it for removing tree sap and light water spots. This is the best way to remove any kind of that imperfections without having to polish it or clay it or have any other kind of caustic chemicals. And lastly, we've also included Hybrid V7 Spray Sealant, which is also a quick detail spray, which you use at the end of any detail or in between washes to remove fingerprints, light dust, bird droppings, or any kind of residue you may have missed while you're actually detailing your vehicle. Now, this also adds a little bit of protection and also some shine to help really make your paint pop, and then you can wipe it off using these very soft, elegant edgeless microfiber towels, which are laser cut to prevent any kind of swirls or scratches caused by tags or sharp edges. So guys, if you like these products or if you have a white car and you want to learn more about how to detail it, check it out on our website, chemicalguys.com. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you guys next time right here in the Detail Garage.